My mom kept all of my childhood toys and games. Oh my gosh. This isn't an unboxing today, this is an untoting. Well, before we get started into this one, I'm going to just give you a quick reminder in case you didn't see our previous episode. I unboxed some of my childhood toys. The story is that my mom kept all of my childhood toys and games from the late 1950s and 1960s, and they were stored in her attic until both Mom and Dad passed and we cleaned out and sold the house. So I've had all of those toys and games from that time period stored here in our basement since we moved here to Tennessee. This tote, I did repack this before we moved just to consolidate things. So I had a vague idea of what was in here, but right off the top, I don't remember everything that's in here. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Does anybody remember this guy? I
know he's a friend of Popeye's.
Yep, this is Popeye's friend Wimpy. Wimpy used to always eat the hamburgers. I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today, was Wimpy's famous line. So
I could go for a hamburger right now.
Yeah, me too.
Cheeseburger, bacon, barbecue sauce. Who's this guy?
This is Dopey, one of the 7 dwarfs.
That's a dwarf?
But I can't even get my hand in there now to work him.
Cute.
Sneezy, happy, dopey, grumpy, bashful, sneezy, Doc, and I think I missed one. But
I think there's a few of those in you. Maybe sleepy.
Yeah, I was just napping a little while ago. We got these guys. Here, Disney Bingo. This kind of got all folded up to put away. I don't think I'm going to try to open that up much
Disney
further,
Bingo.
but there's some kind of game pieces in that little Whitman sampler box in there. There we go.
That's cute, though. I mean, it's got cute graphics on it.
Yep. Oh my.
A slingshot?
That's my very first slingshot that I made from a stick out of Dad's apple tree.
How do you have that still?
Well, it got put in the toy box. I don't dare pull back on it because I can see the rubber is pretty deteriorated. It had snapped.
Take a close-up look at that. Your first slingshot. How old do you think you were when you made it?
Oh, golly. Probably 10 maybe.
Well, I think it's really cool, but I don't think you can sell that on eBay.
Nope, that's not a for sale.
That might be a keeper, though.
Yep. You can be a ventriloquist.
I don't think so. I can't be, but thank you very much.
This came with some kind of a thing that you're supposed to put under your tongue or in your mouth or something. The Swiss warble bird call.
Warbler.
What the
bird
heck
call.
that is. I don't know, but here's instructions how to use it and how to be a ventriloquist. And there's another one.
Oh, his
and there's
nerd.
another
We
one.
can both be, well, we need somebody else to be a friend. I can't even say it. Ventriloquist.
Okay, these are some collectibles. These were out of...
Elmo. It's magic.
Yeah,
some kind of magic
they were
tricks.
cakes.
Lucky cakes.
Lucky cakes. That's what they were.
They came in.
These were
came in an actual
This was
cake.
the bottom. The like snowballs and things like that were on
I like
top of this,
snowballs.
and then they had these magic cards that you could collect.
I never got
on the
any of
bottom.
my snowballs when I was born and raised.
That's what some of the rest of these are. Magic cards.
I see some good stuff in there, though.
Are
I'm
we
hearing
down?
ching ching on eBay.
All right, bongo drums, anyone? And ooh, a tom tom.
That's cute.
Woohoo!
Cute.
Yep, I remember playing the drums. And Mom probably remembers me playing the drums too.
Probably. Bless their heart.
Okay, we got a box of Redstone candy, an Easter rabbit.
I'll believe that when I see it.
Yeah, not exactly. Some kind of the Electric Whiz King race car. Fun to build and race. Well, something tells me it didn't quite get raced. Anyhow, moving right along. Play letters? Word games?
10 word games, 400 large letters.
Ooh, I don't know how large those letters are. Wow.
This is before
This is
Scrabble.
like 10 word games. Can't see any date on it. What do we got here? Sergeant Preston coloring set. Man, it looks like these crayons I don't think have been used.
A mother's choice game for indoor play, rainy day fun, sick in bed play.
It's a Milton Bradley.
Sergeant Preston. Who was
Yeah.
Sergeant Preston?
Sergeant Preston of the Northwest Mounted Police. And there's some stencils in here and things to draw. Magic crayons. I don't know where the magic crayons came from. Okay.
Looks like you still have the original drawing to color in.
And here's another Mother's Choice game for rainy day. Bingo. That looks like a lot of fun. Big things come in little packages. The cigarette vanisher.
Oh, that sounds like a real good toy for a child. Remember the candy cigarettes?
I was kind of into tricks and magic and puzzles and that for a little while. Is this still in here? Apparently. I don't remember how to work it, but there's the instructions and the packing, and you pin this part up inside your sleeve and you stuff the cigarette down in here, and when you let go of it, it ties up under
so you're really
in your
supposed
sleeve.
to get one of your parents' cigarettes and stuff it in that little thing.
Yeah, Dad smoked a lot back then, so there were plenty of cigarettes around. Okay, we have a Transigram Little Traveler's Paint Kit with quality watercolor paints. What do you think? Is there paints in here?
I don't know, but the graphics are beautiful. Oh, that's a
And
nice box. Check. Is
neat
that
little
cardboard
box.
or metal or
It's
what?
cardboard. Drum roll, please.
Bingo. Looks like you.
More bingo cards. Oh, that's the board that went with that rubber band thing.
Looks like you colored
Earlier.
the inside of the lid.
These were water paints. You used to take your brush and wet it with water and smear it around on there and get the paint on it, and then you could paint with it. And I apparently used them all up.
So it's kind of like an activity kit. Look at this.
Yeah,
Look at this little.
but it's collected a whole bunch of other things.
Well, I'm going to show this one. Circus Sideshow Funniest Animals on Earth. Absolutely adorable.
And you can change out the heads on it. There's a rabbit, a pig, a monkey, and I think the giraffe fell somewhere.
There's some cute stuff in there. I don't know if it's sellable. I don't know. We'll have to find out.
And this was a crystal radio. Probably birthday cards and Valentine's and baseball for boys. Oh, this is up to 1955, so it's at least that old.
I'll have to check. You have some cute
Yeah,
things in here. I just don't know.
There might be.
I mean, the graphics, though. I mean, this is the kind of stuff I like.
Well, there's a bunch of birthday cards and things like that in here. Maybe a couple letters. I'm not sure what all from who, but I'll have to sort through this and dive a little deeper into it later. So anyhow, it still turned out to be a pretty neat old box.
Yeah, it really is.
Okay, next. This is one of the models that I built, a twin 40 millimeter anti-aircraft guns, and I was into model building, military toys and models, so this was a box from that, but I don't think it's got the model in it. Let's see what's in here.
I don't think that's what was on the picture. What do you think?
No.
That's some cool parts there, though.
Wooden plane parts, and there might be enough to put together to make one flying plane, but obviously some of them didn't survive the crash landing.
Maybe you can make a half a flyer.
A star flyer.
Somebody might want those parts, just even the wheels and stuff, and you never know.
Yep.
You just never know.
And for that matter, some people even collect these boxes.
That's true.
So, okay. This was another model that I did. It was this deer on the plaque, but he was only like about that big. I don't think he's in here anymore, so what's in here?
What's behind box number 3?
These are the instructions for a lot of the models that I built. Another one of those things we'll have to go through and see if there's any value. I don't know if anybody resells model instructions, if there's any value to these, but one of those things we'll have to just research and check out. This was a weather barometer that you put fluid in this tube. You put water with a blue dye in it and set it up so that it would go up and down and you could read the actual barometric pressure. I had this on the wall in my bedroom for a while.
You still love things like that, so nothing's changed.
Yeah, I'm still into watching the weather.
He's my weather man.
Okay, let's go to this one next.
Oh my gosh, I love the graphics.
The new Funmaker box. 6 faces with interchangeable features, make thousands of funny faces for all from 6 to 60.
We have a problem, Houston. If you're over 60, you have outgrown the game.
Oh no!
It says...
I've outgrown the game!
I know, that's pretty scary. I have to. Me too, giving away our ages here.
Let's open this up and see what's in here.
I've never seen a game actually say to 60, so this is a first for us.
The box, all 4 corners are torn. Oh! Alright, let's see what all is in here. Here's the Strongman. Ooh, how about that?
Yeah, that works.
And then we've got Friendly Freddy. Here's the Magician.
Love magic, so that should be you.
The Lion Tamer. Ooh.
Oh, that's unusual.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And let's do the last one. Old King Cole was a merry old soul when a merry old soul was he. But the idea, I guess, here is, it's falling out. Strongman lost his ear. Each of these pieces, here's the hair, the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the ears, are all the same shape on each puzzle, and you can pop them out and interchange them and make different faces.
Is this almost before Mr. Potato Head?
I don't know when Mr. Potato Head came to be, but it may precede him, yes.
Probably. It's on that same idea, though. Interchangeable parts, I guess.
Yep.
So what's your favorite? Which one are you? Are you the Strongman or the Magician?
I think I'm Old MacDonald. No, but I don't have a farm. Let me get Old MacDonald put back together here. Okay, let's see what's in the next mystery box. Season's greetings.
More
Darren's
chocolates.
assorted chocolates. Ooh, yummy. I have no clue what's in here. Oh my gosh.
Stuff. Our whole channel is about stuff. Can you turn that around? Because it really does look pretty neat. Oh, what's his name?
Felix. Is that Felix?
Yeah, that's Felix.
A hatchet. And I got another hatchet. And we got arrows, suction cup arrows, and darts. Oh my gosh. The Felix the Cat Production Incorporated. You stand this up, and I think you were supposed to throw these darts, and you got to lick them so they stick them. But you're supposed to...
What? Say that again.
You got to lick them so they stick them.
And then throw the dart.
And then you throw the dart and try to...
That's funny.
Stick it. What the heck?
Chalkboard.
Chalkboard. They'll all say hello. Notice, please clap after each act.
That's your magician introduction.
I think this might have been for my magician show.
Your childhood writing.
Curly will sing hello. I have no clue what this is all about.
Your brother probably.
No, my brother was not Curly. They called him Yule.
Folks, do you have old toys? Do you have your vintage, your childhood toys? Because this is a lot of fun. I hope you're enjoying it. We hope you're enjoying it.
And here's the whirly bird. This you'd shoot darts at and they'd spin around. Oh, and there's the real clapper for the dinner bell. So, that was interesting. Like I said, no clue what was in here. Now, getting it all back in will be another trick. Trick! Magic! Ah! Okay, the Transagram Magic Kit of tricks and puzzles. Magic made easy for children. Fascinating collection of outstanding magic tricks and puzzles. Transagram, made in USA.
Is Transagram a brand?
Yes. Transagram was a toy company. I think that says since 1915. As I said a little earlier, I had an interest in magic as a child. I don't think I ever got into it or got very good at it. This was a magic kit. Oh boy. What all is in here? Oh, the magic wand! A magic wand! Presto changeo! I'll turn you into... Well, no, we'll...
Are you trying to make my hair straight again?
I don't think I can do that. That takes more than magic. Voudini the magician. It's going to take some sifting and sorting here to figure out what is in here. Well, I don't know why this is in here, but it's
Gasoline Alley.
A comic strip. Here's Moon Mullins, Kitty Higgins.
I'm not familiar with that one.
That's an old one. This is an old timer. Winnie Winkle. Joe Palooka. He was a boxer. And Gasoline Alley.
I do remember Gasoline Alley.
There is a date on here, but I think it says 1959.
Where's that?
Right there.
Yep, 1959.
Yeah, here's a 1959 date on another one here too. So, yeah, that tells us how old this is. Doesn't necessarily mean that the magic stuff is from back then.
I would imagine it probably is. But,
we'll have to dig through here and see if, what instructions. And I think there's some other things mixed in here as well. There's get rid of these things. One last box. Any idea on what it is?
You're asking me or you're asking our viewers? How would they know? How would I know?
Yes. I sneaked a peek and I saw that it is Sneaky Pete's Broadway Magic Show, featuring Cut the Lady in Half and magic wedding ring, magic flower pots, talking dice. Whoa. And this is a Remco. Oh, check this out. $1 at Associated Hardware. Wow. Is that what's in the box? Let's see. By golly. There they are. There's the lady that would cut in half. She laid on here somehow. And here's the sword. And see if it'll still work. Yes, I can't do it.
Don't break it.
But somehow there was a trick. It looks like most everything is here.
To do some research.
Yep, that very well could be worth a little bit.
Some magic cups. I see your dice.
Yep. Well, okay. Oh, there is something else left in the tote.
What is it?
It's a lucky penny.
It is a penny.
It's a wheat penny. And let me get my glasses again. I think it's going to take more than glasses to see it. Oh, I can't make it out. I'll have to use a magnifier. This is my lucky penny because I'm so lucky that my mom, first of all, bought all these things for me and that she saved them all for me. So, and there are more boxes and totes to go through back there that we'll get to over the coming weeks. That's all for this tote.
Well, I think you are very lucky because I have very, very little from my childhood. Yes, that's your lucky penny, and you're lucky your mom saved everything. I love that.